Greetings and welcome. It is so exciting to know that you are interested in applying for advanced opportunities through the State Department of Education. This video is a quick tutorial that will walk you through the registration process so that you can have an account and register for state aid. When you get to the State Department website, you will need to find the link called Advanced Opportunities. This will take you to the home page where you can read about all the different programs available to you. You want to make sure that you know which program you're applying for and that you're aware of all the risks and conditions involved in the program. Further down, you will see a purple button that says Apply. Before you go through the process of creating an account, you want to check with your school to make sure that they do want you to have a student account. Some schools are registering for the students and don't require the students to create an account. When you select Apply, you will be redirected to the Student Welcome page. Over in the top right corner, you will see this tab called Register Account. When you select this, you will be prompted to enter some basic information. If a counselor or teacher gave you your 9-digit EDU ID number, you can enter it here. If you don't know what it is, please leave it blank, and an adult at your school will enter it for you. You will enter your email address, you will create a password, and then you will enter your first name, your middle initial, and your last name. Please make sure that you are entering your full legal information. You will enter your birth date. If you are under the age of 13, you will not be allowed to create an account, and an adult at your school will need to register on your behalf. You will enter your gender, your school district, and which school you attend. In the terms and conditions, please make sure that you read them carefully so that you're aware of what you're signing up for. You will accept and then click Enroll as a new student. Once you've completed this step, you will need to go to your email. You will see an email from a no reply. When you select this, you will see this message and you will need to select Verify to indicate that you have indeed attempted to sign up for an account. At this point, your registration will be sent to your school. An adult, either a counselor or an administrator, will need to approve that you are indeed a student at that school. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in as though I am a student. If your account has been approved by your school, you will see this full menu. If you only see 3 of these tabs, that means that an adult at your school has not approved your account yet. On this home page, you can also see a summary of the programs. And the button that you're looking for is the second one that says Apply for State Aid. And you will be asked, are you applying for a course or exam? We're going to go ahead and apply for a course. You will select the school district at which you are taking the course. So let's say I attend school at the Aberdeen School District and I go to Aberdeen High. Now, if you go to one school but you're taking a course at another school, you want to select the school at which you are taking the class. I'll select my grade level here and then which program you're applying for, and then the course provider. If you are taking a dual credit class through a college or university, you're going to select them as your course provider. If you are taking a dual credit class through Idaho Digital Learning through one of the other colleges or universities, then you want to select Idaho Digital Learning as your course provider. You'll select the name of the course, and you will see that all of this information will be pre-populated for you. We'll select your county of residence. Now, if you received a scholarship of some sort, or you only want partial reimbursement, you can change that here. So let's say that this course costs $75, but I received a scholarship for $25 from some program, and I only want to be reimbursed $50. You can go ahead and enter the lesser amount here, and then you will submit the course. At this point, your submission will go to either a counselor or a administrator at your school who will approve your registration. And then at the end of the semester, when they send this information to the State Department of Education, you will either receive a reimbursement or you will be credited on your account at the provider. If you have questions, please see your counselor administrator, or you can always call the State Department of Education and we can help answer any questions that you might have.